Hello friend, our subject is entrepreneurship development. Today we have to see the concept of entrepreneurship. The word entrepreneurship is derived from the French verb entrepreneur, which means to undertake. This refers to those undertake the risk of new enterprises. An enterprise is created by an entrepreneur. The process of creation is called as entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a process of action of an entrepreneur who is a person always in searching of something new and exploit such ideas into gainful opportunities by expecting the risk and uncertainty with the enterprises. This is means enhancing the knowledge and skill of entrepreneurs through a several classroom, coaching and programs and training. The main point of the development process is to strengthen and increase the number of entrepreneurs. This is the concept of entrepreneurship. Then we have to discuss the characteristic of entrepreneurship. The first one is economic and dynamic activities. Entrepreneurship is an economic activities because of it involves the creation and operation of an enterprises with a view to creating a value or wealth by ensuring optimum utilization of resources. Since this value of creation activities is performed continuously in the midst of uncertain business environment, therefore, entrepreneurship is regarded as a dynamic force. Then second characteristic is related to the innovation. Entrepreneurship involves a continuous research for new ideas. Entrepreneurship compels an individual to continuous evaluate the existing modes of business operations so that more efficient and effective system can be evolved and adopted. Then third characteristic is related to the profit potential, because any entrepreneur it will be think about the profit from the business or entrepreneurship, so that whatever may be the selected business, it should be a high profit potential. Then fourth one is the risk bearing, because whenever the entrepreneur it will be starts a business, then there will be a risk, so it should be a risk bearable, and whatever may be the loss it will be done in that, it should be a bearing capacity of that entrepreneur. The next one is the entrepreneurial process. Entrepreneurship is a process, it is a journey, it is not destination. It means it is not an end. All the successful entrepreneurs like as Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Steve Jobs, all others went through this process. To establish and run an enterprises, it is divided into three parts. First one is the entrepreneurial job, the second one is the promotion, and the third one is the operation. The entrepreneurial job is restricted into two steps. First, that is generation of an idea, then preparation of feasibility report.